Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're checking out the Eureka Airspeed ultra-lightweight compact bagless upright vacuum cleaner, model NEU10AE4, in a sleek green design. We'll break down everything you need to know about this vacuum, from its cleaning power to how it stacks up in real-world use. Let's get started and see how this compact vacuum performs in a typical household setting. The Eureka Airspeed packs in a powerful 700-watt motor, delivering suction across all types of floors, whether it's hard floors or carpets. Its 10.5-inch wide cleaning path means it covers a decent amount of ground, helping to clean quickly. Despite the compact size, it's designed to extract dirt and hair effectively, which is crucial for anyone with pets or heavy traffic areas. It's bagless, so you don't have to worry about replacing vacuum bags, and it includes a washable filter for easy maintenance. Just rinse and let it dry. At just 7.7 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it an excellent choice for people looking for a portable, easy-to-store option. You won't have trouble moving it from room to room or finding a spot to store it when not in use. The quick-release handle allows you to switch easily to above-floor cleaning. You can attach the crevice tool or dusting brush to the handle, which makes it convenient for cleaning upholstery, windows, and tight spots. When it comes to real-world cleaning, the Eureka Airspeed stands out in several areas. On hard floors, it picks up crumbs, dust, and dirt with ease. The suction power is strong enough to tackle larger debris without bogging down. Moving to carpets, it performs well on low-pile surfaces, easily lifting dirt and pet hair. However, if you have deep-pile carpets or high-traffic areas with heavy dirt buildup, it might require a couple of passes to get everything. The 10.5-inch cleaning path is a bit narrow compared to some larger models, but it compensates with ease of use and lightweight. In terms of maneuverability, the Eureka Airspeed shines. It's super easy to push around, especially on hard floors, and it doesn't feel like a burden to use. The compact design helps with this, but it also means it's perfect for tight spaces, under furniture, and in corners. The quick-release handle makes it easy to clean above floor areas too, and the crevice tool and dusting brush snap right on, so you don't need to search for them during cleaning. Now, let's talk about the noise levels. This vacuum runs on the louder side, especially when on higher suction settings. It's not unbearable, but if you're sensitive to noise, it might be something to keep in mind. For comparison, many lightweight vacuums in this price range tend to have a similar noise profile, so it's not a huge downside, but it's worth mentioning for those with noise concerns. In terms of maintenance, the Eureka Airspeed makes life easier. The washable filter means no additional costs down the road, and you don't have to worry about buying new bags. Emptying the bin is straightforward though. As with any bagless vacuum, you may notice some dust flying when you open it. The crevice tool and dusting brush are a nice addition, allowing you to clean more than just floors. But what about the cons? While it excels at basic cleaning tasks, the narrow 10.5-inch cleaning path might not be ideal for people with larger homes or those who need to cover a lot of space quickly. Additionally, if you have thick carpets or need to tackle heavier debris, you might find it lacks the raw power of a more expensive vacuum. The cord length is on the shorter side, so you may find yourself needing to plug and unplug in larger rooms. In terms of value for money, the Eureka Airspeed offers solid performance for its price point. It's lightweight, easy to use, and offers strong suction for both hard floors and low-pile carpets. If you're in the market for an affordable, compact vacuum and don't need top-tier performance on deep carpets or large areas, this could be a great choice. It's a solid option for small to medium-sized homes, apartments, or as a secondary vacuum. Compared to some alternatives in this price range, the Eureka Airspeed holds its own. For example, models like the Shark Navigator Freestyle Cordless offer a similar lightweight design, but with the benefit of cordless use. However, the Eureka Airspeed edges ahead when it comes to maintaining suction power across multiple surfaces, while the Shark might fall short on certain carpet types. Another competitor, the Bissell CleanView, offers a wider cleaning path, but it doesn't match the Eureka's ultra-lightweight and maneuverability. Build quality is generally good for this price bracket. The materials used feel solid, though they aren't as premium as more expensive models. The wand and hose connectors are sturdy, but you'll want to avoid dropping it too many times to ensure longevity. The bin is easy to empty, and the washable filter is a real plus in terms of reducing maintenance costs. When it comes to customer support, Eureka has a solid reputation for handling inquiries and offering support when needed. The vacuum comes with a limited warranty, so if you run into issues, you'll have that peace of mind. I didn't encounter any major issues with this vacuum, so I didn't need to test the customer service firsthand, but Eureka's reputation is generally solid. Wrapping up, the Eureka Airspeed Ultra Lightweight Compact Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a solid choice for those looking for a budget-friendly, lightweight vacuum that can handle both hard floors and low-pile carpets. It's perfect for smaller spaces, quick cleanups, and as a secondary vacuum for light-duty use. If you have deeper carpets or require a vacuum for heavy-duty cleaning, you might want to explore other options. But if ease of use, compact storage, and affordability are what you need, the Eureka Airspeed is a great contender. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the product link in the comments box below. Feel free to leave any questions or share your experiences if you already own this vacuum. Goodbye till next time. And remember, your clean home is just one vacuum away.